How's your relationship? You need to be part of a good relationship, a healthy relationship, a relationship where you feel deeply connected to your partner. For that reason, we, at Sasiyet, are bringing you this ingredient for a healthy relationship. Communication. Communication is the key to a good relationship. You and your loved one need to always be ready to communicate. Communication will help you understand each other better. Communication will help you to resolve things you give yourself problems for in your relationship. Last night, you were probably mad or maybe still mad because your loved one did not stop by to see you at a certain time. This is now the reason why you're not talking to your boyfriend or girlfriend. This is the reason now why you are not talking to your husband or wife. But, understand, while you are mad and not talking, your loved one is still calling you to apologize, because there was a sudden change in schedule at work or something else might have happened. You have to communicate with your loved one today. Just try to understand that the unpredictable happens in life sometimes, which changes what you were expected. Communication is the key to a good and healthy relationship. Without communication, there is no relationship. When you think things are not proper, communicate with your loved one, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband or wife will help you to have better understanding. And better communication and better understanding also mean that better relationship. Communication is the #1 ingredient in the recipe for a healthy, solid, and a wonderful relationship. Start to communicate again.